over $1,000 for just copying and pasting other people's photos for absolutely free. This can be done again and again for unlimited time, which means you can build a sustainable and reliable income just from this website alone. And this can be done pretty much by anyone because it requires no website, no tech skills, no equipment, and no investment. Plus, it works worldwide. Everything will be explained step by step, so make sure to follow along and pay close attention. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, now the way this works is you will just need to copy images from this website right here and one word website, and then you will paste those photos on the third platform, which I'm about to share with you inside this video. And that's exactly how you will be making money. This can be done with your laptop, computer, or even a smartphone device because it's really simple and easy. You'll literally just need to come over to these platforms, download a few photos, and re-upload them back on the third website, which I will be sharing with you in a while. Now, the first platform that we will be using is called Unsplash.com. The second one, which we will be using to download photos and images, is called PNGtree.com. Using these websites, you can basically make more money because the more photos or images you have to copy, the more you will have to paste on the third website. And that way, the more money you will be making. So, the first thing you need to do is to come over to Unsplash.com, and here you can see the search bar, where you can type in different keywords, and then it will give you a load of different images which you can download free of charge. And all the photos on this website will give you rights, full rights, which means you can do whatever you want to these photos. Now, you can either go through all of these different categories like architecture, current events, experimental, fashion, film, health and wellness, interiors, nature, people, and street photography. You can go through these categories and find nice photos, or you can just think of any keywords, type it in the search bar, and download different photos. So let's say you want to find photos of dogs. So I will type in the keyword dog and press enter. Now, it's going to give me loads of different images that look really nice and professional. So let's say, for example, I like this photo right here. What I can do is I can click on this icon right here, the arrow pointing down, and that's going to download the image to my computer. So it's immediately downloaded to my computer for absolutely free, and now I can use that on the third platform. Now, before I show you the third platform where you will be pasting the downloaded photos, I'm going to show you one more website where you can download more images so you can maximize your results. Let's head over to PNGtree.com. This is a little bit different because here you can find real-life images. Instead, you will find graphics and transparent icons, which might be even better. So I will once again use the keyword dog and press enter. Then that's going to give me different images of dogs that have no background, which is really good. So let's say, for example, I like this image right here. What I need to do is to click on the PNG button right here, the green one, and that will take me over to the next page where I can take a closer look at the image and download it to my computer by clicking the download PNG button right here. As you can see, this has now been downloaded to my computer and I'm ready to use it on the next website. Now, the third website is called Redbubble.com. This is a place where you can make your own designs for different items like masks, t-shirts, stickers, pillows, posters, phone cases, and all types of clothing and much more. But how do you actually make money from that? Well, once you upload a design on this website, Redbubble will print your design on all of these different items, and people that visit Redbubble.com can buy items with your design on them. And whenever they buy that item, you will be credited with certain amount of money. That can be $5, $10, or $15, depending on the item that they will buy. And no, You don't need to stock all of these items. You do not need an investor. You do not need to do the shipping. You do not need to print anything. You quite literally just need to paste your design and that's it. You can leave the website and enjoy your passive income. But if you want to maximize your results and get even more sales and more money, then stay tuned with me. What you will have to do is to come over to redbubble.com and click on sell your art right here. That will take you over to this page where you can learn more about how this actually works. Now you can of course go through it and read more about it, but I don't want to make this prolonged. So I'm just gonna get straight to the point and show you exactly what needs to be done. So you come over to this page, click this start selling button right here, and that will take you over to the sign up page where you can sign up as an artist. So obviously you don't want to join Redbubble as a customer because that way you would need to buy something and spend money, and that's what we want here. We just want to make money without investing any, and that's why you just need to click on artist sign up right here, then enter your email address, create a unique username for your account, and create a password. After that, just click sign up and you have just created a brand new account. Once you're done, this is how it's gonna look like once you log into the dashboard. So here, as you can see, you can design, set up your own shop, and get paid. And I know you might be wondering who's actually gonna buy your designs if you have no audience, no followers, or no subscribers at all because you're a complete beginner. Then who's gonna buy those designs from you? Well, don't you worry, because if I pull up my tool right here called a similar web, people from all over the world are buying items from this website. So you just need to come over here, paste your designs, and you have a potential to reach over 30 million people in a single month. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. But for now, I want you to go back to the dashboard so we can sign up. Click on add designs right here, click on upload new work, and just find those images that we previously downloaded to our computer from the first few websites. Just double click on the image and wait until it loads. As you can see, this is my image right here. This is the PNG icon that I previously downloaded, and here I can preview how it looks like on different items, on the phone cases, on stickers, dresses, t-shirts, pillows, and more. By clicking on the edit button right here, I can also add different images. I can add multiple items, different texts, so different colors. You can literally customize everything and play around with different designs. And once you're done, give a title to your design, give it a few tags so it's gonna be easier for people to find it on redbubble.com. And you can give it a description. Describe your work to get your audience excited. After you do that, just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Work right here. And that was my first design. It is now public and ready to sell. Now people can start buying items with my own designs, but I recommend you to upload as many different designs. Don't just publish one, then close your laptop and expect to make thousands of dollars. It obviously doesn't work like that. You will need to put in some time to upload different designs until you actually start making money from this website. And of course, don't forget to complete your payment details right here. They will remind you to fill out your payment details however you want to get paid. So when you make a sale, you can instantly collect your profits. Now to maximize your results and get a sale quickly and start making money faster, I recommend you to share your design on different social media platforms. So for example, what you will have to do is to click on the view button right here. That's going to take you over to your shop. As you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. This is the page where people can buy items with your design. And what I recommend you to do is to copy this link right here, then go to Facebook and search for groups related to the design. So if your design has a dog on it, you can type in, for example, dog lovers, then sort by groups. And that's going to give you thousands of different groups with hundreds of thousands of members who love dogs. They will be interested in taking a look at your store, and some of them might end up buying items with your design on it because it's proven that they're interested and that they love the niche. So you can join all of these different groups and just start sharing your Redbubble designs with them. And as you can see, that was really simple. But if you want to rely only on organic Redbubble traffic, it's okay. You don't have to share your links. You can just wait for organic traffic and wait for people to stumble upon your designs and buy from you, of course. That way, you will make less money and it's going to take you more time to get your first sale. But it's a lot easier and it requires a lot less effort. So that's it for this video. I hope you did get some value out of it, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in our next videos.